Okay, so the next thing we want to talk about is tools. And there aren't a lot of tools here in WordPress, but they are pretty powerful. So one of the tools that's really cool is this press this bookmarklet. You can drag that up into your bookmarks, and if you go to another page like, I don't know, Google News, and let's just click on State of Emergency in New Orleans, we can press this and it gives us the title and it gives us a link, and then we can write about it, and if we'd like we could publish that. Then we can go here and go back to our posts and take a look at it. You can also view it. This is what it looks like on our website. Okay, and there's the link. Okay, that's a pretty cool little feature. You don't have to do any typing. The next tool we want to look at is import. And import's pretty cool because a lot of us start out blogging on third-party free blogging platforms like Blogger or LiveJournal or WordPress.com. And if we do that, we can actually export from there and import into our new self-hosted WordPress website. So for example, for Blogger, you can install the Blogger importer to import posts, comments, and users from a Blogger blog. For WordPress, you can install the WordPress importer to import posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags from a WordPress export file. So this is pretty powerful. There's nothing that can be said for the ease of use that these utilities offer. So I would check these out if you're trying to move a current blog over to a WordPress.org self-hosted blog. Now, conversely, you can also export what you have here in your self-hosted WordPress.org website to a file format that's compatible with almost every other blogging application out there. This is pretty handy too. As you can see right here, your file gets saved in an XML format, and it will contain your posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. Once you've saved the download file, you can use the import function in another WordPress installation to import this site. So if you want to go from one WordPress site to another, this is the way you do it. You export what you have, you go to your new site, and you import what you exported. Okay, and you can choose what to export, all content, posts, or pages. Then you just click on the download export file, you're all set. Alright, GoCodes right here is installed after we install the GoCodes plugin. And basically that's, we've already talked about that in another video, but if you're an affiliate for, increased hair growth product X, you can type in product X here. And then you can type in your affiliate link here. It might be baldbegone /af equals 132.4. Okay, it might be something like that. And then you want to count hits. You want to add your redirect. And now if you want to link to that product, you simply do that. You could go up to a post. You could add a new post. You can say, can you really regrow hair? And then you would type some stuff. For more, click the link. Show you a neat little thing here. use this little eraser to remove formatting. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In that case, it didn't. So we can get rid of the small tag. Get rid of the small tag. Go back here. Type in our little caret. Make our hyperlink into something that's clickable. Add the link. Publish. Go to the website, click on the link, and you notice that the link says, it looks like it's a link coming from our website with just a little trigger called go, and then the redirect key. Obviously this link won't work, but you knew that. So that's it for tools.